музиката, звукот, оди со танцот, но за мене тишината е многу важна, бидејќи така можам да си го слушнам движењето на сопственото тело. Да некако ја најдам за мене потребната динамика за да изразам нешто. Понекогаш сметам дека треба да има и малце повеќе тишина во секојдневието. Документарниот филм и документарниот пристап за мене нуди многу поголема искреност и филмот за мене е фантастичен, еден документарен пристап на животот на самата интерпретаторка за која што е филмот. Има преживеано Холокаустот. Од многу млада возраст сака да игра. Движењето е всушност емотив кој што сметам дека ја води низ животот, бидејќи тој и таа го разбира животот како игра. Затоа што ја дадена уште една можност да живее со полно срце и таа не пропушта ниту миг. И низ процесот ја води помлада танчарка и мотивот и ентузијазмот со кој што настапува таа 93 годишна жена е за пример на тоа како никогаш не треба да се откажеме од нештата во кои што веруваме.
I was amazed by the character of Eva as a person and also as a performer. And my question would be, how were you inspired to work with her?
I met her in these family occasions. Yeah, she was a very special woman for me because actually she never talked about her experiences in Auschwitz. She was so active, and I knew that she has been trained herself for her whole life. And she was the only one actually who always came to my performances to watch contemporary dance, you know. She wrote a book about her traumas.
Mm-hmm.
And when I read it, I was really touched. And that was such a deep experience for me that I decided at that moment that I would like to do a piece with that woman.
Ez valami roppant egyet, Sajn. Még egyszer megpróbálom.
In a way, she is much more professional than a lot of other professional dancers because it was never a question to her to work for the performance and never questioned the result, you know? And she always gave the trust to us that, of course, you know what you want. I trust you. And this trust, it was feeling.
I really also value very much the way how you led the process as a choreographer and director.
Thank you. I mean, this is how I always work in a way. We should have discoveries during the rehearsal period together. I would like to do a duet, how much really we can understand each other. You know, it's so easy to say that, wow, what a shocking, but do we really understand what she talks about and how much we can go, how deep we can go under her skin to feel, you know?
Milyen szaga lenne a testvéremnek? Milyen szaga lenne?
The perspective of Eva is very strong because she has a very close connection to her body, as we can see.
Yes. In my life, it was Eva's example, how Eva is with her female body and how she can go for things. I can see on her that she is together, she is a unit with her body.
She's also very okay with each and every moment that she is inhabiting.
That's why I think that this film is actually not a Holocaust film for me. She goes very close to it. She faces with her trauma she goes into details, you know, she saw every film, all what you can read. She went back to Auschwitz 7 times or 8 times to see and to understand and to remember.
You cannot get rid of the trauma. It is always coming back, but in between you live happily.
Azt mindig tudni kellett, hogy nagyon jó dolog élni. Akármi történik, de az ember alapjáraton él. Él.